afternoon. Welcome to Wreck It with Rex garden cleanup episode. So a couple of weeks ago when my mother-in-law was here from England, she came and trimmed all my hedges for me. So I'm going to go clean up all the cuttings, pop them in our green big. So come along with me. This is my garden waste bin, and I'm going to put all the cuttings into here, and it's collected once a week. I'm going to start over here. Just got you in here, all the little midgies. I don't know if they're midgies or not. We don't generally have midgies in Australia. Okay, I'll carry on. I wonder if I want to mow the lawn too. Time for a beverage. I'm going to take up here and show you something. It's our deck. Now the sun in winter only comes to that line there, which means the rest of this doesn't really dry off. So I'm contemplating moving some of the stuff out of the way so we don't end up with mouldy covers. We need to have a tidy up out here, don't we? As you can see, when the sun comes out, it doesn't get very far. It's getting closer and closer every day. All right, beverage break over. Let's crack on. Weapon of choice. Time to start on the petalstrum hedge. Just put the leaves underneath the hedge because they'll die down and become yummy mulch. Little Wreck It with Rex tip. Whatever you don't have to pick up, don't. If you can mulch, if you can pretend it's mulch, it will eventually become mulch. Where's he gone? Oh, hello. Not bad for 15 minutes, hey? I want to sing the praise to the rake and whoever invented the rake. Was his name Mr. Rake? Ooh, that is significantly heavier than when I brought it down. My next job is to chop up the rosemary up there. And look at my seaside daisies. And there's my Barley. Hey boy, come on. He's a beautiful little man. So here we go. I picked up most of the cuttings. Whatever fell on the other side of the little bricks and timber can stay there because they will mulch down. So look how tall I am. Whew. All this other stuff will just be picked up with the lawnmower, not the vacuum cleaner. But that hedge I planted myself from about 12 little saplings from my cousin's garden. I'm so pleased with how it's coming along. And eventually it'll be the same height as the fence and it'll look lovely. And this was where our shed once was from the previous episode. Look how the grass is growing. That wood is going to go over to my neighbour over here. He's a builder. Yeah, the next is just to get the the lawnmower out here before spring hits. Otherwise, we'll turn into a wild, mad jungle. And we won't see our barley, will we, little man? Thank you for joining me for my little garden reset in here in the middle of winter. It was a 20-minute quick tidy up on a job that my mother-in-law did for me, thankfully, because that would have taken me a couple of hours. And at the moment, finding a couple of hours can be a bit tricky. So yeah, I'm really pleased with that. So while it's winter and everything's dormant, we're okay. I wouldn't mind whipping round with the lawnmower at some point, which acts like a vacuum. And then it's ready for spring. And when that hits, whew, the growing will go mad. Bye, guys.